Hello everyone, today I'm testing my new reel, Shimano Calcutta Conquest BFS. This reel works pretty good, very light. I can fish all day without getting tired. Best reel on the market. So in this green river, I'm using 20-pound braided line with side number 3 hook with corky setup. The leader about 5 feet long. This reel very smooth. Best reel on the market. Very light, fit right in my palm, and beautiful reel. How solve that, huh? Alright, let's go, boy. Well, look at that, huh? Whew. Fish on, fish on. Oh, nice, man. Look like silver. Oh. Quite strong, man. Woo.
I think. Yeah.
Oh yeah.